Stop. Just stop for a second. Have you ever felt your heart beat fast? Your hands get sweaty, and your mind goes blank, just because you had to speak in front of people?
Yes, and the worst part? You know the words in your head, but when you open your mouth, nothing comes out.
If this sounds like you, then stay with us. Because today, we will talk about how to improve public speaking skills in easy English, step by step. No stress. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning podcast.
Yes, welcome. This is a safe place to learn English, to make mistakes, and to grow with confidence.
I'm Anum.
And I'm Umair.
And today's topic is very important, very useful, and very real.
Yes, public speaking, speaking in meetings, speaking in class, speaking in interviews, or even speaking in front of a camera.
Don't worry. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need big words.
You just need practice and the right steps.
So relax. Take a deep breath. And let's start together. Section 1. What is public speaking? Umair, let's start with a simple question. What is public speaking?
Good question. Public speaking means talking to people, one person talking, and many people listening.
Yes.
It can be 5 people. It can be 50 people. Or even 500 people.
And public speaking is not only on a stage. It can be in a classroom, in an office meeting, or on Zoom.
Even a YouTube video is public speaking.
True. If someone is watching you, you are a public speaker.
So let me ask you, listener, do you speak in class? Do you speak at work? Do you speak online?
If yes, then you need public speaking skills.
And the good news is, public speaking is a skill, and skills can be learned. Section 2. Why are we afraid of public speaking? Umair, many people feel afraid. Why do you think that happens?
Because we are scared of making mistakes.
Yes.
We think, what if I say something wrong? What if people laugh? What if my English is bad?
Exactly.
This fear is very common.
I remember my first presentation. My voice was shaking. My paper was shaking too.
Same here. I forgot my lines. I said, many times.
And guess what?
What?
Nothing bad happened.
Yes. People understand more than we think.
So remember this. Fear is normal. Everyone feels it.
Even famous speakers feel nervous.
The difference is, they speak anyway.
Mini recap 1. Quick recap. Public speaking is talking to people.
Fear is normal.
Mistakes are okay.
And you can improve.
Section 3. Step 1. Start small. Now, let's talk about steps. Step number 1. Start small.
Yes, don't start with a big stage.
Start with small moments.
For example, speak in front of a mirror.
Or speak to one friend.
Or record your voice on your phone.
Let me ask you, have you ever listened to your own voice?
At first, it sounds strange.
But slowly you get used to it.
This builds confidence.
Small steps. Every day. Section 4. Step 2. Think simple.
Many learners think public speaking means big words.
But that's not true.
Simple English is powerful.
Simple English is clear.
And clear English is confident English.
For example, don't say, I would like to elaborate on this topic.
Say, let me talk about this.
See the difference?
Simple is better.
So when you prepare, think simple. Speak simple. Section 5. Step 3. Practice out loud. This step is very important.
Yes, practice out loud.
Not in your head.
Use your voice.
When you speak out loud, your mouth learns. Your ears learn.
Your brain learns too.
Practice in short time. 5 minutes. 10 minutes.
Every day is better than one long day.
Let me ask, do you practice speaking every day?
If not, start today.
Section 6. Step 4. Use body language. Public speaking is not only words.
It is also your body,
Your hands.
your face.
Your eyes.
Smile when you speak.
Stand straight.
Look at people, not the floor.
Even small actions help.
They make you look confident.
And when you look confident, you feel confident. Mini recap 2. So far we learned.
Start small.
Think simple.
Practice out loud.
Use body language. Section 7. Step 5. Slow down.
When we are nervous, we speak fast.
Very fast.
And people don't understand.
So slow down.
Pause.
Breath.
Silence is okay.
A pause makes your words strong.
Try this. Say one sentence. Pause. Then continue.
This helps your listener.
And it helps you too.
Section 8. Step 6. Tell simple stories. People love stories.
Yes, stories are easy to remember.
You don't need big stories.
Just real life.
For example, I was nervous in my first interview.
Or, I forgot my lines in class.
People connect with this.
They feel the same.
And connection is power. Section 9. Step 7. Don't aim for perfect.
This is very important.
Do not aim for perfect.
Perfect does not exist.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Even native speakers make mistakes.
So relax.
Speak.
Learn.
Improve. Relatable moment.
Umair, remember when you forgot a word on stage?
Yes, I stopped for 2 seconds.
And then?
I used another word.
And did people stop listening?
No, they didn't even notice.
Exactly.
Section 10. Daily practice plan. Very simple. Let's give them a simple plan.
Yes, easy and clear.
Day 1 to day 7.
Every day, 5 to 10 minutes.
Day 1. Speak about your day.
Day 2. Speak about your favorite food.
Day 3. Speak about your job or studies.
Day 4. Tell a small story.
Day 5. Explain something simple.
Day 6. Record yourself.
Day 7. Listen and smile. You improved. Let's recap one last time.
Public speaking is a skill.
Fear is normal.
Start small.
Speak simple.
Practice every day.
And never wait to be perfect.
If you can speak, you can be a speaker.
We believe in you.
Really, you can do this.
Now it's your turn.
Comment below. What makes you nervous when you speak?
Like this video if it helped you.
Subscribe for more easy English learning.
And remember,
Your voice matters.
keep practicing.
Keep speaking. See you in the next episode.